Hello, I'm Orla Leyden. I'm a Fianna Fáil candidate in the heart of the Roscommon-Galway constituency. I've been a County Councillor for 15 years, and as a working mother I know the demands placed on families. I want to make a positive difference to the lives of individuals and families and communities in Roscommon-Galway. Never before has a roof over one's head and a home to call one's own been so unattainable for so many. Housing must be made a priority. I'm passionate about finding a solution. We need more affordable, social and private housing in Roscommon-Galway. We need radical change within the health system. More resources, and healthcare has to be accessible to all, regardless of income. I want every child in Roscommon-Galway to be treated equally, with ready access to essential services and supports, like speech and language therapy, audiology and psychology, and increased investment in positive mental health and wellness initiatives. Rural Ireland is in danger of being left behind. If elected, I will ensure that it is put back on the national agenda and that agriculture and farming is supported. I want to help address rural isolation and see that there's investment in a network of local transport initiatives into our villages and towns in Roscommon-Galway. We live in a beautiful part of the world. We have a rich history and heritage in Roscommon-Galway. We need to invest more in Ireland's hidden heartlands to develop our tourism potential. Climate change is a key issue for our time. A climate action plan needs to be developed with practical, sustainable solutions for Roscommon-Galway. I want a better and fairer Ireland. Vote number 1, Orla Leyden on February 8th. Thank you.